January 28th, 2021 focus question. So again, Devin kept track of his math tests for 5 weeks. He scored these percentages on his tests. Today we're going to find the outlier. So we have 50%, 80%, 85%, 75%, 95%. On Monday, we found the mode, which was the number that we saw the most of, in which this case there was no mode. The range we found on Tuesday was the biggest number minus the smallest number. And then yesterday we found the median, which was the middle number, after we put in order, of course. So now we're going to find the outlier. The outlier is going to be something that is either too big or too small for the given data set. So we have this set of numbers here. So let's put them in order again. So I have a 50%, I have 75%, I have 80%, 85%, and 95%. So which number here do you think stands out? Is there a number that's either too big or too small? Well, 85 and 95, that's only 10 away, right? That's like, so I like to think of, okay, between 85 and 95, that's 10 away. Between 50 and 75, that's 25 away. That's a lot. So our outlier is going to be 50. It's too small for the given data set. It just kind of is an outlier. It's kind of an outcast. So our answer here is going to be 50. Let's make that blue. So our outlier is going to be 50. And you can put that percent there. So our outlier is going to be 50%. And that's going to be it for our focus question.